Do you know what activates the Autonomous Sensory Meridian Response? A study identifies several common triggers used to achieve ASMR. The participants largely sought out ASMR as an opportunity for relaxation, with 98% of individuals agreeing or agreeing strongly with this statement. In a similar vein, 82% agreed that they used ASMR to help them sleep, and 70% used ASMR to deal with stress. Analysis of responses found 4 prominent categories of triggers, each experienced by over 50% of participants. These triggers are
whispering, 75%.
Personal attention, 69%. Crisp sounds, 64%. And slow movements, 53%. Now, let's continue to explore different meditation techniques, so you'll be able to start implementing all knowledge you are learning. Are you excited about it? Let me know in the comments. See us next time.